Microwaves are my favorite things. No one can love them the more. No one can love microwaves more than me. Oh, I love microwaves. Oh, I love microwaves. They make a beep when they're done feeding your food. They were invented in the 80s 'cause they're microwaves. And microwaves are the best thing in the world. I've got this microwavable bear with rice inside of it. And now let's watch it microwave the bear. So let's microwave it now. Microwaves.
Then today he was yeah, I wasn't gonna embarrass Grace. But today he was trying to do something and he grabbed it. Well, you know, TJ should be able to do that because he's Canadian. He looked up like he did. I said, you know what, TJ?
Microwave. It's warm.